Kitchen with Stacy. Oh my God, it's been so long. It feels so good to be back in front of the camera and recording again. Thank you to all of my subscribers. You know, these past few months have been filled with personal and professional commitments that have required my focus. That's why I've been gone so long. But it feels so good to be back, and I'm excited to record today and show you guys what we're making. So in this video today, I'm going to share with you how to make my favorite homemade spinach dip recipe that is guaranteed to be a crowd pleaser. It's quick, it's easy, and it's perfect for serving at your next event. So getting started, we are going to add some butter in a skillet. Now once that butter is melted, we are going to toss in our spinach. Now I'm using a 10-ounce bag, and this also determines on how many heads you're feeding. I've got 2 bags, but I think I may only cook 1 bag, which is a 10-ounce bag. And we're gonna see if it's enough. And if it's not enough, then I will definitely take some more spinach from the second bag. So just add all of this into it, and it's gonna cook down, of course. So we're just gonna go ahead and dump this in here, and we're gonna use the whole bag. And over here, we like to eat, honey. We like to eat, so we're using the whole bag. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt into it. You don't have to add too much because I did not use unsalted butter. I'm also going to use some minced garlic. And again, we're just gonna put that lid right back on top of that until it gets done, and let it simmer some more. So right now to a bowl, I'm gonna add 2 packs of 8-ounce cream cheese. I also grated some cheese. This is sharp cheddar. I'm just gonna use some because I want to save some of it for my topping. Go in with a little bit of mozzarella. Take your time, take your time. And like I said, just a little bit. And again, we're gonna use the rest of it for the topping. Parmesan cheese. I love me some Parmesan. Yes, yes. Some ground black pepper. Some of that good old garlic powder. We're gonna add some Italian seasoning. And just do the same with the crushed red pepper. Don't forget that Worcestershire sauce. That W sauce. And don't forget that lemon juice. Now we're gonna toss in our spinach. Toss it in, and just start mixing it well. And this is what the spinach dip is supposed to look like after mixing it all thoroughly. Now we are just going to transfer this into our cast iron skillet so that we can throw it in the oven. Now we're gonna top this with some shredded cheese. This is the cheese that I had earlier that I had grated. Looking good. And I am a cheese fanatic, so I'm gonna go in with the rest of the Parmesan cheese that I had left. I'm going to do this with the mozzarella cheese as well. And I just want to get this fully covered as much as I can. And spread it out. Now this baby is ready to go into the oven. Now before doing that, I got some smoked paprika. I'm going to sprinkle some of that on top. Wait a minute. Y'all know I like everything spicy, so we got some cayenne pepper. We're going to sprinkle some of that on top as well. Let's put this into the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes on 400 degrees. So now that we have our spinach dip in the oven, you know we gotta bring some chips to the table. We're using some flour tortillas, and I'm gonna show you how I make mine. Come on. Why are you over there playing? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Come on now. You know what to do. Go tap that button, hit that bell, turn those notifications on, hit that subscribe button, and go follow me do some magic in the kitchen. So the only thing that you really have to do here is to just cut them into 4s down the middle and across the middle. That's it, y'all. Real simple, real easy. Like, this takes no time. And boom, you got you some chips. And look at that spinach dip. Yes, sir. Get into it, get into it, get into it. Get into it, yes. Look at that. So good, y'all. I can't wait to dive into it. So now we are just going to drop our tortillas into our hot oil and let them cook for about maybe a minute or so. After they've come out of the grease, I like to hit it with a little bit of salt. Just a little bit, not too much. Nice color right there, huh? Look at that. We got our homemade tortilla chips over here. And that spinach dip, and yes, I love it, I love it. Look at that color. Look at that cheese pool. Y'all see that? Look at that cheese pool. But look at that. Y'all see that? That cheese pool don't lie. You can't fake that cheese pool. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment, please. Comment. Yes, Lord. Comment and tell me what you think about it. Tell me if you would have added something, if you would have taken something away. Let's talk. I'm all up for new ideas. I'm not excluding nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and get into this spinach dip, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. I hope y'all have a good Sunday. Bye.